Hey guys, it's Gwen. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how to do my coloring tutorial on light motion. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Okay guys, so first of all is you're gonna need to import your clips. Just add it and rescale it. Click move and transform and press the third button. There you're just gonna need to scale it. Then go to the uppest button and position it as much as you like. Okay, so now you're gonna add a shape. And for the shape, you're just gonna need to add a square. After adding a square, you're just gonna need to fill it until it fills the screen. Now change it into a gradient black and white color. Okay guys, so after adding the shape, now you're gonna add an effect called copy background into the shape. Okay, after adding that first effect, now you're gonna go to color and light and add exposure gamma. For the settings, you can follow mine or even making it yours. Okay, so now we're gonna add the next effect. Just go to color and light and search for saturation and vibrance. Okay, so for the settings, you can follow my settings or even making it your own. Okay guys, so after adding the effects, now you're gonna duplicate the layer. After duplicating the layer, erase all the effects you used on the second layer. So now we're moving into blending and opacity. Press contrast and press vivid light. Okay, I think I forgot to erase the effects, so now I'm erasing all the effects on the second layer. Okay, so now we're gonna go to color and fill to fix the broken gradient color. Okay guys, to everyone who thinks that the coloring is too dark, you can add exposure gamma to your original clip. watching. I hope everyone have a really great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Thank you and God bless you.